Hello, hello, hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bless. I'm still here at Cafe Miranda in City Garden Suites. Tara, samahan ninyo ako. Gusto ko lang explore sa inyo ang Cafe Miranda. Let's go! Go, go, go! We have champurrado. Corn and leek bisque. Scrambled eggs. Wow, champuradong malapot. Let's eat. Yummy, yummy! Yummy, yummy champurrado! Ayan, ubos na! Ang sarap ng champurrado! Yummy champurrado! The foods here in Cafe Miranda taste good! I can recommend because all the foods here in Cafe Miranda are all healthy. Happy viewing! Guys, eto ang mga palaman dito. Ayan, palaman and then pandesal. We have here wheat bread and loaf bread. Sarap, sarap, sarap. At this side, there is pirituhan ng itlog. Ayan, pirituhan ng itlog. Dito ang salad. May salad dito. Oh no, wala nang fruit. Naubos na. Almost finished. Taho. It's taho. Dito. Batayo kami. Ayan. Batayo kami here. Move here. Dito.
Go to next to mama.
Here, stand up here. Stand up here. Stand here. Yeah. Ayan pala eh. Papakahirap pa tayo. Nga. Okay ba? Ay, ayos ba? Ayos? Magandang angulo niya. Hello guys, nabusog na naman ang tiyan ko. Ito ang breakfast namin. Ayan. So, natapos na akong mag-breakfast. Mamaya naman, I will go to church. Meron pala malapit na church dito, yung Ermita Church. Okay. See you later, alligator. Time check is, what time is it already? Ebert, what time is it? Time check is 7:14. Hello, Shane.
Hello.
How are you?
Okay lang po kayo.
I'm good. Thank you, bye. Bye-bye. Ang pangalan mo, Karen? Bye,
Resty po.
Resty. Let's go.
We have some breakfast now, up until, also on the weekend.
Oh, bye, Shane.
Thank you.
Bye po. Ang ganda dito. Ang gusto ko maraming salamin.
Maganda itong hotel.
Maraming salamin. Maraming salamin. Maraming salamin. O yan, paglabas mo, may salamin na naman. O, ayan o. Ayan o. May salamin na naman. Dami salamin o. I like the salamin. That's my favorite part of this hotel. Many mirror. We have just finished eating our breakfast and we are now full. I like bangos. I like sauteed ano ba yun? Ginisang sayote with tofu and champurado and taho. Oh my goodness, there are a lot. O, ito na kami sa room namin. O, when you open this one, there's another mirror. There's a mirror again.
Mama,
Hmm.
akin na yung susi mo kasi kapag lumabas ka, o halimbawa kung alin, mamamatay yung kuryente.
Tomorrow for sure.
Kakain kami sa Sabori Classic dito sa Annex. Today is February 10, 2025. Birthday ni Johnny, kaya kakain kami sa Classic Sabori. Come on, samahan nyo kami kumain. We are celebrating Johnny's birthday. Mateo. Ay, sit down ba? Ay, sit down. Ang pinagagawa. Ha?
Rice lang po pwede.
Ah,
Ordinary na lang. Tapos, yung rice, fried rice.
birthday ni Johnny ngayon kaya tayo
The
kakain.
same natin, yung classic.
O, say happy birthday ni Johnny. Say happy birthday ni Johnny. Happy birthday. Ay, happy birthday na lulukot. Say happy birthday to your dad.
Happy birthday, Dad!
Magsibati kayo, walang kabuhay-buhay.
Kasi mamaya
So, ayan ang handa ni Johnny. Happy birthday, Johnny.
may dinner sa tema.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Easy pa tayo.
Happy birthday, Johnny. How old are you? 49! How old is your dad?
49 years old.
Wow! And happy anniversary to everyone, whoever and Johnny.
Thank you.
18 years church wedding anniversary. Okay. Kuhan ba kanta?
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time.
Happy thank you.
I said thank you.
Paano nyo nabansaan? Ha? Sabi mo. Parang kumakan na happy birthday kay Tijan na Nagtay ko kinakasama lang.
Birthday ko rin.
Hindi ka makamil tayo. Sa'yo. Say hi. Guys, tapos na kaming kumain sa Sabore Classic. So, ang parents niya pumunta pa sa Starbucks. Kaming dalawa ni Mateo uuwi na sa kondo. Tara! Pangit. Pasensya na kayo kung mapangit ako. Guys, andito kami sa P2. Papunta kami ng Tower 4. Dito ang daan, malapit. Mula sa Bridgeway, galing ng SM North. So, we're walking. Matapos kaming kumain sa Sabore Classic, gusto ko maglakad kasi exercise. Pero dahan-dahan lang ang lakad. Okay, see you soon. See you later. Guys, paakyat na kami sa 34th floor. There's Mateo. Say hi. You're so cute. Okay, thank you. Guys, dito na kami